Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Zapier to BotPress in 2023. BotPress is a powerful open source chatbot platform and Zapier is an automation tool that you can connect, of course, on it some different apps. So in this comprehensive guide or on the step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to integrate Zapier with WordPress or BotPress, sorry. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll have to go and sign up for a Zapier account. To do so, go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, and here you'll have to type zapier.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, of course, make sure you don't go to the dashboard because for you, or let's just go as an example here to Zapier. No need for .com. And make sure to click on this first link, which is Zapier, automation that moves you forward, and click on that. As you can see, they just keep logging me into my dashboard right away. Why? Because I'm already created my account and I'm logged in into my account yesterday, so they still remember my credentials, and as you can see, they log me in directly. For you, of course, you will not find yourself in here. As example, let me just go and log out. And of course, for you, you'll find yourself here at this home screen or main screen page. Once you are here, make sure to scroll down first of all and read more information about Zapier and see how you make this connection or this integration on the apps with Zapier, of course. And of course, you can see even what people saying about Zapier if you want to. And of course, if you have an account, you can always go and click on login at the top right corner. If you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up, or you can click here or would sign up for free with email or even start free with Google. Of course, if you click on start free with Google, this will prevent you from doing all the boring steps of creating your account because it will do it automatically with Google. For me, I'll just click on login, and as you can see here, I'll just choose Google again. Of course, you can choose Google, Facebook, Microsoft, or SSO, depending on whatever you want. And those options will, as you can see, prevent you from entering your email and password and etc. So for me, I'll just choose Google, choose my account here. And basically after that, as you can see, I'll find myself right here. Now, what I will need to do is simply go and create a new Zap. Of course, in your Zapier dashboard, you can simply click on Make a Zap. If you didn't find yourself here and create a Zap, you can simply open this sidebar and go here and click on Create a Zap or Make a Zap button. A Zap, of course, if you don't know, is an automated workflow that connects to or even more apps. For you, of course, on this tutorial, the Trigger app will be an app or service that will initiate an action in BotPress. So search for and select the app that you want to use as a trigger. And of course, as an example, if you don't know anything on how to connect Zapier with BotPress, you can always, example, ask, as you can see, what you would like to automate. You can simply ask AI. You can, as an example, they're giving you here an example. So save new leads from Facebook leads to Google Sheets and email me like lead Gmail. So for us, we don't want this. For us here, we'll simply type connect Zapier to BotPress as an example. And of course, let's just hit generate. And here, as you can see, you'll have to wait a bit until they generate that. And of course, as you can see, they give you two simple steps. So step one, catch hook webhook by Zapier, and simply here in step two, create a message using Yammer. That's if you want to integrate Zapier with WordPress. If you do this automatically, if you want to do it manually, you can always do that. And if you don't want to do it automatically, of course, you can simply enter what you want here, then click on try once they give you what you want here. And as you can see, once you do so, you'll be taken here. So basically, you'll have to choose the trigger. First of all, you'll have to choose the trigger app. For this tutorial, as we said, the trigger app will be an app or service that will initiate an action in BotPress. You can search for and select the app that you want to use as a trigger. For us in the automation, it's used like this option. For you, of course, choose whatever suits you. And of course, now you'll have to choose the trigger event. Select the specific or trigger event that will initiate the automation in BotPress. And this could be an event like new email, submission, or any other event supported by Zapier. Of course, if you don't want to do that, you can always go and, as an example, go and simply click on create a zap, and this will take you here directly. So here you can go to the trigger and look as example for BotPress. So as you can see, there's no BotPress here. So we will have to look for an app that comes with BotPress, of course, to do so. And then once you choose that, of course, you'll have to go and choose the trigger event, which is the action here. Once you finish, you can customize, of course, the trigger options based on your requirements. And this might include like some specifying filters or conditions for the trigger event. And of course, after setting up the trigger, Zapier will test the connection to ensure it's working correctly. If it's successful, you will see a confirmation image or message. And of course, once you're done all of that, now it's time to choose like the action app once you finish everything. And of course, they might even ask you as an example to make a sign-in option. As an example, let's just use this because this is what we use for Zapier and WordPress. And of course, they might ask you as an example for sign in as an example, depending on whatever you choose, whatever app you choose. So for you, just select the action and the trigger that you want, of course, BotPress to perform and respond to the trigger. And this could be like spreading messages, updating the database, or any other action supported by WordPress or BotPress. And of course, you can simply follow after that the prompts to connect your BotPress account to Zapier, and this will involve like providing your BotPress API credentials and specify, of course, any details for action that you want BotPress to perform. And this might include like content of the message or any other relevant information. And once you set up everything or the action, Zapier will test the entire workflow to ensure everything is working as expected. And of course, if the test is successful, you can now turn on your Zap and it will start, of course, automatically tasks based on the trigger and action you set up. You can set this on or off here. And of course, here you can even click on fix to publish if you don't know how to fix it. And that's going to be basically it. So just a recap. Basically, you will have to go and choose a trigger, then choose the trigger event. Then, of course, you'll have to go and connect your trigger app. You'll have to go and sign in, depending on the trigger app that you choose on BotPress. After that, you'll have to go and use or set up any trigger options. All of that you'll find it here on the trigger. So as you can see, app events and just trigger here as an example. So pick off a child key and test, of course. Here you'll be able to simply test it as we said. And here that's going to be the action. So you can simply go and connect as we said, and you will be good to go. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. You have successfully, of course, connected Zapier to WordPress in 2023. With this integration, you can automate various tasks in your chatbot workflow, enhancing its capabilities. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.